Who in the building? Everybody coming in the building, make sure to hit the like button and share this video, because this is going to be a powerful video. I need everybody in the building for this video, for this live right here. I need everybody to share this live right here. This live is going to be one of the most serious lives I ever did. Playtime is over. Playtime is over. So I'm letting y'all know right now, man. Hit that live button. Matter of fact, let me share this. Everybody in the building, share this video. Hit that like button. Get these notifications out. This is going to be a serious live right here, because it's a serious topic. Shout out to everybody in the building that already hit the like button. Make sure you let everybody know we going live on this topic right here. We're like, yo, let me see. We gonna get down to the nitty gritty. I ain't here to play no games, man. Malcolm X. All of this is fishy to me. I'm sitting back and I'm paying attention. Yo, who the fuck is this in my driveway?
Now do what you do.
Nah, I'm not gonna do nothing.
No, do what you do.
I'm gonna accept this.
Got it.
Why you touching me like this?
Because I can.
Because you could?
And do what you do.
Because you could.
Do what you do.
Why we arguing?
We not.
Why the fuck is we arguing?
We not.
You in my fucking city.
However.
And you talking to me like this.
Look.
That is the only reason why I'm not fucking destroying you right now.
Right.
I brought you out. I don't know you. Yo.
Whoa.
Your aura is gay. Your nails, get your fucking nails off of me.
Wait.
Get your fucking nails off of me.
But I can.
Get your fucking, no, you cannot. Don't fucking touch me like that.
Because I can.
You came to the city.
I did.
I didn't trust you.
I know that.
And I showed you love.
I know that.
And why the fuck are you talking to me like this?
Because I can.
If you gotta pee, let me know.
Stop, man. Stop.
Drunk
I
Trevor.
don't give a fuck.
He in the bushes, look at him. They trying to set me up.
Hassan Campbell. Get over here, blood. Get over here, blood.
Snakes!
Nighttime.
Oh my God. What the f?
It wasn't me. I ain't do nothing. I ain't do nothing.
I wanna kill a slob, it's the 5th of the month. Blue rag on my head, on my psych on the front. Blue Pumas on my feet, blue khakis on my ass. Black block in my hand, just in case I got a blast. See, you get gaffled like a bitch if you chit-chat. The AK-47 put him on his back. Broke him down to his motherfucking mainframe. Drop top forehead, looking at the slob's brain. Make a slob break out in the sweat, cause I'm a Kelly gangster, aka a walking threat. BG niggas do it the most. I got my AK ready and steady serving them slobs problems low. I win a fuck, can I mix with an Inglewood? I only got love for a third of my own hood. Killing when I'm rolling with my niggas. Not just any niggas, but them killer slob niggas. Fucking with a Kelly Park cook, now you know. I give a slob a home on Palmer and Bullets Row. Ain't no more stepping through the smog, nor creeping through the fog. I'm a motherfucking low saying fuck all dog.
Every dog has his day. Every dog has his day. Every dog has his day. Every dog has his day.
Stops better kick, I can pay your fucking attention. I'm creeping through your hood on a slime killing mission. Strap on my lap, already fucking kids out the door to go to the other side and make a slime drop. Raise out the window, pull the trigger and I blast. Pump some of that lead in the slime nigga ass. The nigga rolled over and I shot him in the fucking chalk. Hollow shells in my shit. Blue and shit the fuck off. It's the gang bang, motherfucker.